If you've recently been curious about best Christmas Ariceleo wine bottle lights on Amazon, for you, tried to make the video with informative description and customer reviews about best Christmas Ariceleo wine bottle lights, so that you can know A to Z about Christmas tree on Amazon. Let's start. Number 1. 7 feet starry string lights. Waterproof fairy string light. Very good design tools. 6 PCS lights per packing. Battery compartment extension cord is 0.6 feet. Each light is with 6.5 feet flexible thin copper wire with 20 PCS bright micro LEDs. Warm white light. They glint in the dark, perfect to decorate your patio, deck, front porch, child's bedroom, wedding, party, Thanksgiving Day, Halloween, Christmas, shop, restaurant and room. And the copper wire disappeared into the night, leaving only light. The battery box is with on-off switch. Simply switch on the lights and enjoy these amazing moonlights. The battery of these short fairy lights last for 48 hours around continuous life. Batteries need to be replaced when the lights get dim. Waterproof, ultra-thin, bendable but sturdy wire with LED lights. Is totally submersible. The copper wire part into water to achieve amazing lighting effects. Not included battery. The battery life to over 48 hours. When in continuous lighting, 0.360 degrees sparkle for a beautiful effect. The LED lights do not overheat. They are safe to touch. LED lights will last 50. Number 2. Mini Firefly Starry Lights for indoor, outdoor, mason jars, Halloween, Thanksgiving. Fantastic warm white lights. 12 separate mini fairy lights, battery powered, each with 20 small lights. And the brightness is high, yet warm, cozy. Made of 7 feet high quality silver coated copper wire. It's flexible, strong and durable. Perfect for your crafts project, floral arrangements, plants, signs, furniture, glass jars, vases, wine bottles or other decorations. Bendable and cuttable, thanks to the flexible and soft copper wire materials. The wire part can be cut to your needs and can be bent and wrapped easily around stair railings, Christmas trees, mason jars, plants, wreaths, mirrors, flowers, gardens, and almost everything else. Perfect to creating a romantic, cozy atmosphere. Battery powered, each set of lights powered by 2XCR2032 batteries. Although these support more than 72 hours continuous working, the actual use time will vary with the temperature and humidity of the environment. Small battery case, 1 inches, is with on-off switch. Very easy to hide into your design works. These are great for theme parties, sleepovers, or centerpieces. Screwdriver included for easy operation. Safe and waterproof. LED battery-powered string lights are low energy consumption, no overheat, and remain cool after long hours usage. Stay safe to use. Number 12-pack solar wine bottle lights. 20 LED starry cork lights. Solar-operated mini copper string lights. Is solar-powered wine cork LIGHTS wine bottle not included. Fits for wine bottles, glass bottles, soda bottles, beer bottles, and many other kinds of bottles. The cork bottom, 1.77 in, 45 millimeters in diameter. 20 individual micro LED, 7 feet long. Safe for indoor or outdoor use. Easy to use and install. Each cork with an on-off switch. Just simply switch on the lights and then insert in the bottles. A built-in light sensor ensure that it turns on at dusk and turn off by dawn automatically. Is solar powered, energy saving and environmentally friendly. No battery needed. A solar Number 4. Overnight 10-pack bottle cork lights. 10 LED wine bottle. About this item. Recycle bottles with ROMANCE bottle not included. The bottle light has 10 super bright LED bulbs on a 40 inches long and thin silver wire. The low heat emission and eco-friendly design bottle cork string lights could create romantic atmosphere after decoration. Enjoy DFUN and widely used. Made of high quality ultra thin silver wire, can be easily designed to any D shape you like. Suitable party, wedding, barbecue, Halloween, Christmas, garden, indoor and outdoor decoration, etc. It is also a good gift for your kids, friends, and families. Battery powered and more saving. Every wine bottle cork lights are powered by 3 PCS LR44 batteries. Batteries included, and no need to power socket, and convenient to use. The 10 LED lights will use double time than 20 LED, while they have the same effect. A very good deal. Easy to use and install. Each cork with an on-off switch. Easy to turn on and off switch. Need to turn it off when you don't need them. Our bottle lights are easy to fit into the top of the wine bottle. You don't have to drill. Number 5. Angelia 20-pack fairy lights. 6.6 20 LED string lights. Battery operated mini twinkle lights, copper. About this item, decorative fairy lights. 20-pack fairy lights with 20 LEDs are made of 6.6 feet flexible copper wire, can be bent and shaped easily. The mini battery box is easy to hide. Battery-operated string lights, powered by low-voltage CR2032 batteries and heat-insulated lead copper wire lights. Will not make it overheat during usage, cold to touch, safe to use. IP67 waterproof. The LED string lights is IP67 waterproof rating, and it could be immersed into water, ideal for indoor and outdoor use. The battery box is not waterproof. Please place it properly. White application. Perfect firefly lights for birthday, party, Halloween, Christmas, wedding, or decorating your... Please click the link in the video description to purchase the product. Stay tuned to the channel by subscribing to Amazon's best product reviews. Thanks for watching the video.